Welcome to Ambar Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to remove your facial hairs permanently by using this remedy for minimum 15 to 1 month. I got many requests that they are having facial hairs on their baby's face, on baby's body and all. For that this is the best remedy guys. So come guys, let's start without wasting our time. So here I have masoor dal, which is known as red lentils. Red lentils is having lot of benefits. We can use it in many ways for skin whitening also. So now here I am going to tell you what are the benefits of masoor dal, which is red lentil. It is beneficial for removing dead skin cells. It will make our dry skin soft and smooth. It reduces the wrinkles, fine lines, and it will give you natural glowing on your face. And also it is good for remove the facial hairs also. So first of all I am going to make it powder of it. So you can make and keep it at home and store it in a jar so that you can use it regularly. So now I am going to transfer this in a small jar. I will make it powder, then I will tell you what we have to do next. See guys, I have grinded it finely. Now I am going to transfer this into a jar for my future use. So here I am going to take 1 spoonful of red lentil powder. So my second ingredient is wheat flour. And one more important thing I want to tell you guys, which spoon you are taking, according to that only you have to take all the measurements. If you are changing the spoons, means the measurement will be up and down, so try to use the same spoon. Okay, so here I have taken the same equal quantity of wheat flour. Wheat flour will fight with acne, it reduces the oiliness, and then it exfoliates the dead skin. It acts as an exfoliator. It is a great detan. It is having detan properties also. And also it is having the properties that will remove our facial hairs also. It will hydrate the dry skin, and it is useful in natural depilation also. Okay, so here I have taken the same quantity of wheat flour. My third ingredient is, I have already told you guys, don't buy the kasturi manjal which is available in the market. Try to get it like this and make it powder form, which we can make it powder easily at home itself. So to show you all, I have kept this piece. So here I am going to use the natural wild turmeric without any chemicals. So see, 1/4 of wild turmeric here I am going to use. As you all know guys, from the ancient days, wild turmeric is used for ladies for their as a face pack to remove acne and pimples also. It treats acne and pimple marks also, and also it will lighten them, protect skin from sun damage. Excellent skin tone lighten to give fairer skin. It will control oil balance of the skin also. Excellent for removing unwanted facial hairs, which is important in this remedy. And also it will fight with the wrinkles also. So here I have taken just like 2 to 3 pinch of wild turmeric. My next ingredient is potato. Here I have taken 1 small potato. Now I am going to grind this and I will take a juice from this. As I have told you in my previous videos, potato juice is good for skin, hair, and as well as for our health also. For skin, it will blemishes, it will remove sunburn, it removes wrinkles and dark circles under eyes, puffy eyes, and also tired skin also. And it will give us skin lightening, it remove anti-aging. It is good for dry skin, and there is lot of benefit for skin. Usually it is said as it is having bleaching properties. So I'm going to grate this, and I will take juice first. Okay. You can take it big to potato also, but now I have taken only one spoon of ingredients, so according to that this much is enough. So now I am going to strain it. You can use muslin cloth also to strain this one. It is easy to remove the juice. Maybe it will come around 2 spoons of potato juice. That's all we want. So my next ingredient is natural honey, which I got this from Muna. And as you all know guys, honey is one of, here I am having honey. So honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedy. It is having antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. It may benefit for oily and acne prone skin. Honey is also called as a natural humectant. It helps to keep the skin moist but not oily. Okay, it is good for dry skins also. So here I am going to have honey, half spoon. This one I have not used from long time, maybe from minimum 6 months. So now my next ingredient is lemon. Here I have taken 1 lemon. Lemon is having antioxidant, and it contains naturally vitamin C, and it will reduce the skin damage and premature aging. It is highly pH level. Lemon can reduce oil on the skin and reduces inflammation also, and also it will make our skin lightening. So here I am going to have 1 full lemon, because here I have taken small lemon. Okay, so I am going to squeeze it. Like approx you can take 2 spoon of lemon juice. Last but not least, our last ingredient is alum. Alum, which is known as fitri in Hindi. Alum is good for removing facial hairs. It will make our skin soothe. It prevents of bacteria and also reduce bleeding also. And I will give you one tip guys. If you are, for men and women, those who are removing the hairs, facial hairs, after shave also, if you are rubbing this on their face, they will have the hairs will not come fast. It will slower the hairs, and also slowly it will reduce the hairs also. So regularly if you are using alum, it is good. Alum is also having lot of benefits. It is useful for shaving, and also it will treat canker sores also. It will natural remedy for pimples. It removes unwanted hairs, which is important in our remedy. It reduces the wrinkles. It works as a deodorant also, and also it is having lot of benefits. If your children are having lice in their hairs, you can use alum to reduce that. So now I am going to use not more. It will come in a rock form. You have to make it in a powder form. Okay. See guys, here I am going to take, see, 1 pinch of aluminum. This remedy you can use for your small children also. So now mix all these ingredients well. See guys, my pack is little bit thick, so now I am going to add in it little water. It should not be more thick also, not watery also. Okay. See guys, my facial hair removal pack is ready. Not only facial, you can use this for underarms also. On your baby's full body also you can use this pack, but you have to use this pack regularly, and you can save it in a fridge also for minimum 7 to 10 days, and then you can use it regularly on daily basis. But you have to apply it on your upper lip, chin, on your cheeks also, and leave it for minimum 20 minutes, and then rub it from the downward to upward. I will show you guys. You have to apply in this form. If your hairs are coming this side, you have to apply like this, and when you are removing, you have to remove from downward to upward. When applying from upward to downward, while removing from downward to upward, so that all your hairs will remove easily. So I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members, so that they also get the benefit from it. Thank you. Meet you again with a new video. Bye bye.